So Emily, thank you very much for coming up today to take part in the day. So what have you found this morning? Have you enjoyed the morning?
Yes, it's been a fantastic experience talking to the students here today. They've been very enthusiastic and keen to ask questions, and hopefully I've helped them out by giving them some answers.
So how did you find the ethical dilemmas part of the morning? Was that interesting?
Yes, it was very interesting. They were great, very mature how they were discussing the different topics that we gave them, and it was good to see them looking at the pros and cons of different scenarios.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about what you're doing at the moment in Cardiff.
Yes, so I'm a fourth year medical student at Cardiff University. I took a year out last year to integrate, so I studied medical education for a year. But I'm back now on placement studying psychiatry in Ysbyty Meilor.
Alright, so up here in North Wales.
Up here in North Wales, yeah.
So if you had to give one piece of advice to pupils who dreamt of being a doctor or later becoming a GP, what would that one piece of advice be to them?
I'd tell them to go for it. When I was applying for medicine, I wasn't sure if I'd manage, to get the grades and get enough work experience. If you really put your mind to it and work hard, you'll manage whatever you wish.
Great. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr.